GS Duyshev steps right to mount. Beautiful hips from Khan to pop back up to his feet. Nice transitions. Duyshev is looking for a triangle as Khan enters on a double leg of his own.
Oh, Khan was really defying physics right there. The way that he got up, you could only be a superior athlete to get up that way. Just like you said, Johnny, the kind of training that he's been doing, picking up rocks, training up in the mountains, obviously is helping so far in this contest as the momentum starts to change and now he's on top. But Duyshev, like we said earlier, chaining in the takedowns. This is so important for grappling. You can't just find success with one takedown. You need to look ahead. You need to go for the second and the third. And that is why you're seeing Duyshev now on the back all of a sudden of Khan. Both hooks sink in. This is a dangerous position for Khan to be in as Duyshev squeezes. And that is it.
Wow, in the battle of undefeated flyweights, it is Ырыскелди Дуйшеев that comes on top. Rear naked choke victory over the 7-0 Исмаил Khan, handing him his first ever career defeat. What a victory for Ырыскелди Дуйшev.
The relentless takedowns which inevitably led to the back take of Исмаил Khan. Duyshev stuck to that game plan. There you see both hooks sixed in. There was no chance of Khan getting out of that one.
Lock up the rear naked choke, nice and tight. It would take an incredible, a phenomenal gas tank to be able to outwork Ырыскелdi.